In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert purchase orders to bills in QuickBooks Online. This is a really important workflow if you regularly order from vendors and want to keep your books clean, accurate, and up to date. We'll walk through it slowly so you can follow along in your own QuickBooks account as you watch. First, make sure you're signed in to QuickBooks Online and you're on the main dashboard. To begin converting a purchase order, you'll start by creating a new bill. At the top left of your screen, look for the big plus sign labeled New. Go ahead and click that. This is where QuickBooks lets you create most types of transactions. From the menu that appears, choose Bill. This tells QuickBooks that you're ready to record something you owe to a vendor, and it also opens the door to pulling in any existing purchase orders for that vendor. Now you'll see a new bill form on your screen. At the top, there's a field labeled Payee. Open that drop-down and select the vendor you're creating the bill for. Make sure you pick the same vendor that's listed on the purchase order you want to convert. Once you select the vendor, QuickBooks will automatically look for any open purchase orders tied to that vendor. After choosing the vendor, a panel or window will appear showing that vendor's open purchase orders. This is where you decide which purchase order you want to convert into a bill. Take a moment to confirm the dates and amounts so you're selecting the correct one. Next to the purchase order you want to use, click Add. When you do this, QuickBooks will pull the details from that purchase order directly into the bill form. You'll see the items, quantities, and costs all populated for you, which helps reduce data entry errors and saves you time. If you received only part of the order, this is the time to adjust it. In the bill details, update the quantities or amounts to match what you actually received and what you're being billed for. For example, if you ordered 10 units but only received and are being billed for 5, change the quantity to 5. This ensures your inventory, expenses, and outstanding purchase order balances all stay accurate. Once everything looks correct, scroll down if needed and review the bill one more time. When you're satisfied, click Save and Close. That's it. You've successfully converted a purchase order into a bill in QuickBooks Online, keeping a clear link between what you ordered and what you owe.